Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's have a look of three amazing color of trolley bags. One is gold, that is army green, and this is a navy blue color. It's looking like a purple color. So let's have a review of amazing trolley bags. Yes, opening ceremony. Only sharing with you guys. This is a case Valker brand. This is Malaysia's #1 trolley bag. So today I got from Shopee. So खोलने में टाइम लग जाएगा. यस, अभी हम इसको बाहर निकालते हैं. यस, सो आई ऑर्डर दिस आर्मी ग्रीन कलर. मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा कलर, सो मैंने ये वाला कलर खरीदा. यस, सी द wheels. Very comfortable to carry. It's a light and hard case. This is a lock. You can set a number, password. Yes, very easy to open. Yes, let's have a look from inside. I think you also love this color, right? It's my choice of color. This is a 2 set of trolley bags. One is, the bigger one is 24 inches. This one, see the inside view. Wow, so silky, so nice color. Gold color. Wow. different pouch है इसमें, 2 color. This is small pouch. You can keep anything. This is for your dresses. Yes. Lock is amazing. I love the lock. For password, you can set your password and lock the luggage. It's a very easy movable. Wherever you want to carry, you just pull or push according your see the wheels also got lock. You can see the yellow dot there. You can lock the wheel also. Yes, you can push, you can pull, you can roll. Very easy to carry. I studied a lot before I buy these luggages, so I find this one is very beautiful, amazing, and light in weight. Look, the zip also so smooth. Got 2 sections, this one and the small one, this one. Yes, You can carry from any both side. You can push and pull also. चलो अब लॉक लगा देते हैं और फिर से आपको रिव्यू देते हैं. Yes, this is the bigger one is 24 inches, the smaller one is 20 inches. है ना amazing? You also can buy these luggages. Yes, really amazing. Yes, let's travel. Very easy to push and pull. Yes, देखो कितना लाइट वेट है. Bye bye. See you. Love you all. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.